Are you ready for the most exciting drone announcements of the decade? DJI's 2026 lineup has just been revealed, and the innovations are absolutely mind-blowing, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with aerial technology. Whether you're a professional cinematographer, commercial drone operator, FPV racing enthusiast, or casual content creator, DJI's new releases offer groundbreaking features that will transform how you capture the world from above. In this comprehensive guide, we're counting down the 5 most exciting drones coming from DJI in 2026. From enterprise workhorses to pocket-sized stabilizers and next-generation consumer drones, each product on this list brings revolutionary technology and capabilities. But wait until you see our number 1 pick. It's so incredibly powerful and feature-packed in such a tiny package that it's rewriting all the rules about what ultra-compact drones can achieve. Number 5. DJI Matrice 4 Enterprise. The DJI Matrice 4 Enterprise kicks off our list as the ultimate professional drone designed for serious commercial applications, including surveying, inspection, search and rescue, and industrial operations. This heavy-duty platform represents DJI's commitment to providing enterprise customers with reliable tools that handle demanding professional workflows. What makes the Matrice 4 special is the modular payload system supporting multiple camera configurations, including thermal imaging, multispectral sensors, LiDAR scanning equipment, and high-zoom inspection cameras for specialized applications. The impressive 55-minute flight time with standard batteries and extended 75-minute capability with optional high-capacity packs provides substantial airtime for completing large survey projects without constant battery changes. The IP55 weather resistance rating allows operation in light rain and dusty conditions that would ground consumer drones, ensuring you can work when conditions are less than perfect. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing with 6-direction coverage provides exceptional safety during autonomous missions in complex environments around buildings, towers, and infrastructure. The RTK positioning system delivers centimeter-level accuracy for precision mapping and surveying applications where standard GPS simply isn't accurate enough for professional requirements. The intelligent flight modes include automated inspection patterns, 3D mapping workflows, and waypoint missions that can be saved and repeated for consistent results across multiple site visits. Number 4. DJI Mini 5 Pro. DJI raised the bar once more for mini drones with the Mini 5 Pro, which is now the best sub-250p restriction-free drone available, says. In my opinion, it's the single most important drone in DJI's range. It upgrades the Mini 4 Pro with a larger 1-inch sensor for better low-light image quality. Its omnidirectional object sensing now features front-sensing LiDAR, while its flight speeds and wind resistance are rated 10% better. There's also now 42 GB of built-in storage, up from 2 GB before. Combine those upgrades together with enhanced 225-degree roll rotation and a dynamic master shots move, and the Mini 5 Pro delivers unbeatable 4K video up to 120 FPS, with the ability to instantly switch between horizontal and vertical video, ideal for social content. In fact, the tiny and lightweight Mini 5 Pro is so good that it puts the squeeze on DJI's own significantly weightier and pricier Air 3S, which features the same main camera. I really like the new design for the folding propellers, which can be unfolded and packed away in any order and automatically powers up the drone. Return to home works a charm, plus there are plenty of easy flight moves, incredibly effective subject tracking, and DJI's D-Log M color profile for advanced color grading. Top stuff. Number 3. DJI Avata 360 FPV. The DJI Avata 360 FPV secures the 3rd spot on our list as an absolutely insane evolution of FPV drone technology that makes immersive first-person flying accessible to everyone. This groundbreaking drone represents DJI's vision for the future of FPV, combining safety features with thrilling flight characteristics that experienced pilots love. What makes the Avata 360 exceptional is the revolutionary 360-degree camera system capturing spherical video that you can reframe in post-production, choosing any angle from the complete sphere of footage recorded. The built-in propeller guards protect the drone during crashes and close proximity flying, allowing aggressive indoor flying and tight spaces that would destroy traditional drones instantly. The motion controller provides intuitive one-handed flying that feels natural, even for complete beginners, while the optional FPV goggles deliver immersive first-person experience for those wanting traditional FPV thrills. The advanced obstacle sensing adapted for high-speed FPV flight provides safety nets that prevent crashes during aggressive maneuvers, while still allowing the exciting flight characteristics FPV pilots crave. The improved image stabilization combines electronic and horizon leveling that keeps footage smooth even during extreme maneuvers like flips, rolls, and high-speed turns that would create unwatchable footage on other systems. The extended 28-minute flight time substantially improves over the original Avatar, giving you more flying time per battery for longer creative sessions and freestyle runs. Number 2, DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Taking the runner-up position is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, the highly anticipated successor to the legendary Mavic 3 Pro that professional creators have been waiting for with significant upgrades across the board. This flagship consumer drone represents the absolute pinnacle of DJI's prosumer drone technology, packed with professional features in a portable, foldable package. What makes the Mavic 4 Pro special is the upgraded tri-camera system, now featuring a main 1-inch sensor shooting 6K video, improved 70mm medium telephoto, and an incredible 200mm extreme telephoto lens, providing unprecedented focal length versatility in one drone. The flight time has been extended to an impressive 50 minutes, giving you substantial airtime for complex shoots and exploring distant locations without constantly worrying about battery levels. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing with improved AI-powered APAS system navigates complex environments with even greater intelligence, avoiding obstacles from all directions during automated flight modes. The upgraded O4 transmission system provides stable 25-kilometer range with significantly improved resistance to interference, ensuring reliable connection even in challenging RF environments around cities. The enhanced night mode capabilities with improved sensor technology and computational photography capture usable footage in lighting conditions that would have been impossible for previous generations. The professional codec options now include ProRes RAW recording, giving cinematographers maximum flexibility in color grading and post-production for broadcast and cinema work. Number 1, DJI Mini 4K. First-time buyers can't go wrong with the Mini 4K. It is the best budget drone you can buy at under $300. It is a carbon copy of the DJI Mini 2 SE, only it comes with higher resolution 4K video to the Mini 2 SE's 2.7K video. The Mini 4K also shoots 2.7K up to 60 FPS, and video bit rates are higher, so its videos are less compressed, plus you get a 2x digital zoom. Otherwise, the drones are identical. A regulator-friendly 256G takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal, and stable flight performance considering the tiny size. If money is no object, the Mini 4 Pro is the best beginner drone you can buy. It has omnidirectional object avoidance and advanced follow-me subject tracking, plus a larger sensor and slightly better image quality overall. If you're typically gung-ho, you might get into a few scrapes flying the Mini 4K given the lack of obstacle avoidance or need to be extra cautious to avoid objects, especially when flying over bodies of water. However, the Mini 4K is admirably robust and a third of the price of the Mini 4 Pro while being equally capable in many ways. Its battery life is excellent. Despite not fulfilling the 31-minute measured times, it can go longer than rivals. Plus, DJI's QuickShots flight moves get you dynamic video sequences around your chosen subject. All in all, we found the Mini 4K to be an excellent beginner drone, perhaps the best, and a decent second drone for advanced pilots.